put its face up to my face so I could see. Yeah, then I saw love disfigure me into something see the cager call. I said, come on in. I will not open myself up this way again. Nor my teeth to the sand. I will not lay like this for days now upon you. You will not see me fall, nor see me struggle to stand, to be acknowledged by some touch from his gnarled hands. You see the cage had called. I said, come on in. I will not open myself up this way again. You see the moon is bright in that treetop night. I see the shadows that we cast in the cold, clean light. My feet are gold, and my heart is wide, and we race out on